Hi, everybody. Welcome back. It's your favorite professor, Dr. T. All right. So I'm going to work on word problem on proportions because I believe I did the video for the topic above that. So a machine produces 374 bolts in 33 minutes. At the same rate, how many minutes would it take to produce 272 bolts? So this is the way that I think about proportions. You could either have one number on the top and the other on the bottom. So one in the numerator, one in the denominator. But when you make it equal to the other proportion, make sure that you keep those numbers consistent. So I am going to do what I think might be easy. So 374 bolts over 33, and I'm just going to write MIN, is equal to 272 bolts over X minutes. All right, and so we cross multiply. So I'm going to multiply X there and 33 there. So 300, and I'm going to leave off the units just so that it's not too messy. Times 33. So 272 times 33. And then to solve for X, I just divide both sides by 374. So I'm going to do it all in one shot. So 33 multiplied by 272 and divide that by 374. And it gives me 24 minutes. So X is equal to 24 minutes. And I'm going to type in 24 minutes. See if I'm correct. All right, let's try another one. Okay, a certain medicine is given in an amount proportional to a patient's body weight. Suppose a patient weighing 164 pounds requires 205 milligrams of medicine. What is the weight of a patient who requires 173.75 milligrams of medicine? So even though that sounds like it's a little bit different, we just keep everything consistent. So they give us 2 sets of milligrams, and we are looking for what weight the patient is when they require 173.75 milligrams of medicine. So let's do 164 over X is equal to 164 pounds. So that would be 205 milligrams. And I'm going to leave the units off only because it gets really messy. 173.75. And then when you cross multiply, you end up with 164 multiplied by 173.75. And that's equal to 205x. So we divide. I'm doing everything all in one step. So parentheses 164 times 173.75. And if you're doing this on the ALEKS calculator, just do the 164 multiplied by 173.75 first. Whatever number you get, then you divide by 205. And I get X. So 139 is equal to X. And let's just check it. $139. So, as always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.